We've seen them all already. You know what this thing's starting to remind me of? Monkey Ball. Remember the bananas? Oh, yeah. That Deanie place. That place hasn't told me that was a snow place. And once it got to the lava, I was like, screw it, I don't care anymore. I couldn't get this one thing. It's like you just go, and then try to, it just didn't work. I gave up. So we never got all the golden bananas back.
Probably all dead.
We got back, wait, what, there was like 6 of them? We got back 4. Why do they need the other 2?
That's the weird. So they're probably all dead.
No, it's in there. Dang. This is some blonde girl.